Using Venmo Request is a convenient and efficient way to get paid back by friends, family, or colleagues. The process begins with downloading the Venmo app and setting up an account, which is free and straightforward. Once your account is set up, you can start sending requests to others. To do this, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Request Money tab. Here, you can enter the recipient's name, email, or phone number, and the amount you are requesting. You can also add a note to provide context for the request. Venmo requests are particularly useful in social situations, such as splitting bills or rent with roommates, or getting reimbursed for group purchases. For example, if you paid for dinner for a group of friends, you can send a Venmo request to each friend for their share of the bill. The key benefit of using Venmo Request is that it eliminates the need for cash or checks, making it a hassle-free way to get paid back. Additionally, Venmo requests can be sent to anyone with a Venmo account, regardless of their bank or location. To ensure that your Venmo requests are successful, make sure to include all the necessary information, such as the correct amount and a clear description of the request. It is also a good idea to follow up with the recipient if you have not received payment after a few days. In terms of security, Venmo requests are protected by encryption and two-factor authentication, making it a safe and secure way to request and receive money. Furthermore, Venmo is owned by PayPal, which has a strong reputation for secure online transactions. In conclusion, using Venmo Request is a simple and efficient way to get paid back by others. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can take advantage of the convenience and security that Venmo requests have to offer.